Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter freelancer student, Ntombizodwa. So I hope I pronounced this right. So welcome to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. So a warm welcome from me and all other Finxter creators. And if you have any questions, any doubts when starting out as a freelance student, then actually just contact us. We are here to help. We are here to help, to assist you and to push you to a more successful freelancing career. So in this video, I want to talk about something that is a necessary step for every new freelancer student actually to figure out the niche they want to be in, right? And we already know you want to be a coder, right? Because you joined the Python freelancer course. But obviously, we don't know a lot more. And actually the coding space is massive. People underestimate how large the coding space is. You cannot just offer your services as a coder, right? So suppose you would just write, so I'm a coder, I will help you create programs, then nobody will hire you, right? It's just too generalist. You need to focus on a small sub niche, and the smaller the better. Why? Because if it is small, you have a good chance to actually dominate this niche, to become one of the best, like top 5% persons in this niche, and those people actually earn the premium hourly rate. So you should find your freelance niche, and it's also about what are you excited about, right? If I had to program, say, some hardware, so some stuff close to hardware level, I would actually suffer. I wouldn't enjoy it a lot. But I love high level software development. For example, programming against blockchains or doing some data analysis, machine learning. So I love the high level stuff. I don't love too much the low level hardware, nitty-gritty hardware stuff. So this has always been the case in my computer science studies, and everybody has their own things they are excited about. So for example, how would you actually find? So you should of course find something that is at the intersection of your own passions and your own interests and the stuff the market actually needs. Where is the gap? So what does the market need? And it would be best if nobody else would offer this service, right? And this also, or if all the persons that offer this service cannot compete with you ultimately. And I know initially you don't have any skills, you cannot compete with other people because you are the lowest skilled worker in the space. But this changes rapidly if you position yourself well. Many freelancers on Upwork don't position themselves well, and that's why there are lots of gaps in the market. And even if you are not the best one, you can actually easily figure out those gaps and own those gaps as a beginner freelancer. Get some gigs, and by actually solving gigs, you get the practice and the experience. You learn and improve and become better. And of course, we have a lot of content and background material that help you become a better coder offline. But then also you need to have some like online or skill development. You need to have practical projects that actually that give you the experience and the well-rounded skill set of a practitioner, right? And so how do I go in finding freelancing niches? This is like my secret trick. I call it alphabet soup. So you check out the Upwork site, and then you search, because clients would search for freelancers, right? They have some problems. And for example, if I'm interested in the blockchain niche, I would just type in blockchain, for example. And now you see Upwork has some search suggestions. You see blockchain developer, blockchain writer, blockchain expert, blockchain wallet. So if you want to do something with blockchain, you could actually, these are terms that are actually frequently searched by Upwork, right? And you could even go a step further, typing in blockchain W, and now it would actually give you blockchain writer, blockchain wallet, blockchain white paper. So now, for example, clients search for blockchain white paper, right? So they search for freelancers who can help them create a blockchain white paper. So you could position yourself as one of those. You could actually put it into your headline, like this girl, like Angelica P. She's a specialist white paper writer for fintech and blockchain, right? So she owns this niche because she has done quite good keyword research, right? So, but if you, for example, type in blockchain wallet, It's also a search suggestion, right? Now you see nobody's popping up. So this is this is a niche that is there for ripe for the taking, right? You could take this niche. You can actually position yourself as a blockchain wallet expert, right? And then you read everything you can on blockchain wallets and how to create them, and offer your services for clients, because clients are searching, but clients don't find freelancers. And if you are the guy, even if you have little experience, you can be you can gain the experience by working for gigs for clients. And if you have finished the first gig, you may suffer finishing the first gig because you don't know anything. But if you have finished the first gig, you have some experience that you can reuse and showcase to clients. I mean, even if you had 0% job success score, which will not happen because you will finish the first gig for Finxter, right? For example, for Finxter, you could write an article. What are the best blockchain wallets, right? And we will give you a good rating if you do a good job. And then you have 100% job success score, you have some experience, and you position yourself as a blockchain wallet expert. And now you can get those gigs, right? Clients are searching for those. We know that clients search for those gigs because Upwork suggests these searches. And they suggest the searches based on actual searches that happen in their search engine. So we know the clients search for those type of gigs, blockchain wallet, and you can just help them create their own blockchain wallet, something like this. Help them set up their wallet, for example, and maybe tweak your offering over time if you realize what clients actually want. But you can just put into the header here, header blockchain wallet developer, something like this, right? And now clients will hire you. You will get experience. You will use the experience so that even more clients will hire you, and you will get better and better and better in your micro niche about blockchain wallets. And it is a niche that will get traffic for decades to come, probably, right? I mean, this could be a strategy that is enough to fund your whole life. This single small niche. I mean, this is often what people don't realize. You only need to focus on a small niche like blockchain wallet, own this niche, and that's it. That's it for your life. You will become better and better. More and more clients will hire you. They will recommend you, and so on. Right? You could focus on such a small, tiny thing, just doing what I did, doing some keyword research initially, then setting it up, and then learning everything there is about blockchain wallets and doing nothing else. That's it. Very simple and very successful. You could earn easily $50 to $100 per hour, and probably more because you will get more and more efficient, needing less and less time to finish those gigs clients actually need. Okay, so that's it. Simple strategy to find a great niche, to find a great gap in the market. Just search for terms, use the alphabet soup method to check out some frequent searches, and then try to find gaps that are not owned by any freelancer, and then own them and defend them if you own them. And that's it. Easy strategy. And you can, of course, also check out the Academy Finxter niche selection course. Academy niche, find your niche as a developer. It's a free course for you as a lifetime Finxter freelancer student. And here I actually give you some more specific tips how to find a niche. But just focus on the course now. For now. As you go over the course, you may also want to check out the niche, and use this method sooner or later. Finish the first gig for Finxter so that you have your first 5-star rating to bootstrap your success on the Upwork platform, and then just do it. There's nothing that stops you to succeed in business and as a freelance coder. Ntombizodwa. Thanks for joining the course, and see you in the course. Bye.